Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the video editing, and I'm going to create new project. Okay, and you can choose a video you want to remove the text from, and I'm going to choose video from this folder. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove the tags from this video guys. I'm going to add this video to my InShot project, and wait, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, then for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this video. I'm going to go to the duplicate menu, and then I'm going to make it as an overlay. To make it as an overlay, we can choose switch. Okay, and we can make our second video align with the first video. And to remove the text, we're going to use the mask feature. Click on your second video and go to the mask, and you can choose the shape of the mask you want to apply. I will go with the circle mask, and we can adjust the position and also the size of the mask like this, and take another part of your video to cover the text. I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it like this, and then we're going to drag the mask to cover the text and to remove the text from our video. Okay, now the text has been removed, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment. You can go to the filter and then select adjust, and you can adjust the lightness, warmth, and saturation to make it more natural. I'm going to adjust the lightness guys. I'm going to increase the lightness just a little bit. Okay, perfect. And don't forget to click on the check mark. Click on the check mark again, and this is the final result. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video. And if you want to save it, you can click on the export menu and select the resolution and click on export. Okay guys, then that's all the way to remove text from our video using InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.